too much, now we swallow. Now I'm a fool while you're breaking rules. It's a dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it as I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me all of the pain seems to follow, like a shadow dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it
Assalamualaikum Pak Edi.
Waalaikumsalam.
Gimana Pak? Aceh Pak?
Aduh, terlalu nyaman, baik ya, bersih. Satu lagi, memang kotanya kota bersih, kota beriman ya. Kita tadi sempat sudah di Masjid Fathur Rahman ya. Nyaman lah pokoknya gitu.
Ini kita bawa rombongan siapa Pak?
Kita bawa rombongan satu keluarga besar KYM sendiri. Karena kita pengen tahu tentang Banda Aceh, gitu. Jadi rombongan keluarga lah istilahnya.
Rombongan keluarga Pak ya. Berarti ini rombongannya dijemput dari Bali ya Pak? Dari Bali ke Aceh.
Keluarga besar ini berdomisili di Bali ya. Jadi kita secara pertama dari Bali langsung ke Banda Aceh, sempat ke Sabang ya 2 hari. Gitu.
Sabang 2 hari Pak. Habis ini dari Aceh nih mau lanjut kemana nih Pak?
Kita dari Aceh rencananya berlanjut ke Medan, mengunjungi Danau Toba. Nanti kalau setelah itu nanti ada kita turun lagi ke Padang, gitu.
Padang Pak ya?
Ya.
Terus baru balik ke Jakarta Pak? Bali Pak?
Rencananya kita nanti mungkin mampir dulu ke Palembang, langsung ke Jakarta, pulang ke Bali.
Nah, jadi ini kok ada wisatawan yang mau ke Aceh, gimana nih Pak?
Ya saya anjurkan silahkan ke Aceh mencoba ya, karena saya sudah mengalami baik, puas lah karena ke Aceh ya. Gitu.
Jadi tetap naik bus KYM Pak ya?
Semoga kalau Anda ingin naik bus silahkan hubungi KYM, nanti kita siap mengantar, melayani. Ya.
Siap Pak, makasih banyak Pak, hati-hati di jalan, semoga
Oke.
sampai tujuan Pak.
Sama-sama Mas.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam Mas, terima kasih.
let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me bleed. Let me someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. I was so sure of our love, I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
Hati di jalan kayak Trans.
Forget